So if you're a gamer, a movie lover, or you love entertainment in general, then this tablet actually makes sense for you. It is the Moto Pad 70 Pro. The tablet packs a huge 13-inch 3.5K display with a 144Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision support, 12-bit color, and up to 800 nits peak brightness, making it a serious entertainment device. And if you love to game, as I mentioned earlier, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. While it's not as powerful as the 8 Elite, it's still one of the best processors for gaming out there. Paired with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, and it supports microSD card of up to 2TB, which is great, especially if the 256GB storage is not enough for you. Now for cameras, Motorola includes a 13MP rear camera, and the device has an 8MP selfie shooter, so this tablet isn't actually best for taking photos or videos, which is why I said it is best for entertainment lovers. The battery life actually looks promising as well, thanks to a massive 10,200 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. Audio is also handled by 4 JBL tuned speakers with Dolby Atmos, giving you a premium movie and gaming experience. As you can see, you could basically just game for a very long time and watch movies for a very long time without worrying about your battery running out anytime soon. And if the battery is about to run out, you could quickly top it up using the 45 watt fast charger that comes with it. The device also ships with the Moto Pen Pro in the box. There's also an optional keyboard accessory for those looking to replace a laptop for productivity tasks. The device ships with Android 16 out of the box, and according to Motorola, it's going to receive 2 years of OS upgrades, so it's going to get Android 17 and Android 18, and the device would receive security updates through 2030. Other features include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0. The device is also very thin. It has a full metal body, so it's actually a premium tablet, and the tablet weighs just 589 grams. So these are the top features of the Motorola Moto Pad 70 Pro. As I said earlier, it's one of the best affordable tablets for gamers and entertainment enthusiasts. The tablet currently sells for about $390, but it's only available in India currently, but it's most likely going to be available globally in a few weeks or so. Anyway, that's it for the video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.